Hi everyone, Raja again after a couple of week break. Yes, thanks a lot for your encouragement and support, and your encouragement is resulting in which encouraged me to study a lot and give some few more information related to the India stock market. So today, before that, I would like to say this video is only for the educational purpose, and there is please don't take as a call or action, a call to action to buy the stock. And I am not here to recommend any channel. What I am trying to do is I am trying to do whatever the information I know. I am trying to do the knowledge sharing. That is the whole objective of this video. So today, what happened in the market? Let us see. So today the market opened in a positive term of 100 points and then closed with 89 points to be specifically, and then closed with a minus 32 points. Out of this, that 26 stocks were advances and 23 stocks were declined. So 10,029 is the point which you are looking at. So the top 50 stocks, out of the top 50 stocks, the gainers of today's stocks were Bharti Airtel, VDL, Zeal, Sun Pharma and Techem. And these are the stocks which has gained in terms of 7% of VDL. Bharti Airtel has gained 5.73% and Zeal 5.52% and Techem is 5.20% and Sun Pharma is at 496 rupees. If you remember the same stock about an year and a half back, Sun Pharma had fall down from 900 rupees to 300 rupees. Now it has bounced back to 496 rupees, which is a great news for all the all the investors who are holding these stocks. Second thing, there are a lot of losers as well on this today's stocks. Some of the losers as well in terms of 5% to 3% in the range of Asian Paint, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, and Kotak Bank. And as well as I said, IndusInd Bank is also one of the loud stock of the lot of investors earlier, but due to their NPA, net performing asset, and other reasons, the stock has been falling down in the recent past. In the last 1 week, there was a rally on this IndusInd Bank. Now it is again going back because in the last 1 week it was around 430 rupees. Now it come back to 416 rupees. So this is the high level of the what happened on today's mark. So let us see what about tomorrow, or tomorrow is being a Friday. So tomorrow, which are the companies is planning to give result. So first we will see the result, and then second we will see the dividend. So and these are the company which is planning to give the result, declare the result tomorrow. So one. So Alchem, Timken, Snowman, some of the popular companies like Jyotish Laboratories, HFCL, Infibeam, these are the companies expected to announce their result tomorrow. So that is for the knowledge purpose only, which I am saying here. And the one of the which is useful for a swing trading purpose, if you want, you can use some of these companies like giving a dividend, where you can take a position for a, if you're thinking for a long term investment, you can have this dividend as well. Nestle is announced the 61 rupees per share of dividend, which is a huge dividend if you see, but the cost of the share is also in a higher side. You need to look at that as well. And second thing, Tata Coffee, which is giving a dividend of 1 rupee 50 paise. Second, 35 rupees, there is a dividend which has been given by Sheffer India Limited, and then Hindustan Unilever 14 rupees dividend, and 243 rupees per share which has been given by Sanofi India. Sanofi India dividend has to be a special dividend. It is actually, this is the second dividend, if I'm not wrong, which has been given from this company in the recent past. So this is one of the very good medical related industries. So that's on the dividend perspective, and some of the stock which you can plan for this in terms of long-term investment is one companies like Nestle India and other companies like based on dividend perspective. I'm saying not on the trading perspective. On the dividend perspective, if you hold something for a minimum 1 or 2 years, then you can go for Nestle India, and you can accumulate on whenever the company is going in a low basis. Thanks a lot. That's all for the today's, and I will come back to you by tomorrow and try to post a video tomorrow on the same market session.